Hey everyone, I'm Sean here with Apollo. Over the course of the last year, we've released a lot of repair and maintenance guides, promotional content, and silly little cleaning videos to help make owning an electric scooter as easy and self-sufficient as possible. What if you're a first-time scooter rider and you're not sure how to get started? Well, we can help with that too. And even if you're a seasoned pro, stick around. You might learn a thing or two, or 5. So here's 5 safety tips on how to ride your scooter for the very first time. Tip number 1, and most importantly, safety first. At an absolute minimum, you should have a good helmet to protect you from any spills or falls. A good bike helmet can be sufficient if you're not planning on going very fast. We prefer a solid helmet, one intended for BMXing or mountain biking. If you're buying a more powerful scooter like the Ghost or Phantom, a full face helmet is never a bad idea. Resources like the Electric Scooter Guide have a helmet database, so you can find and compare helmets, see which one fits your riding needs best. Alright, so you've got your safety gear on and you're ready to hit the road, but not just yet. Tip number 2 is to find a safe area with little traffic and start slow. We recommend finding a big empty parking lot like this one, so you have lots of room to ride around free of any obstacles. This will give you the best opportunity to learn and understand how your scooter feels and handles without having to worry about running into anything. While riding around the parking lot, it's best to start off in the slowest speed setting. Most of our scooters, like the Air here, have 3 different modes, each one giving you access to a higher top speed. While it might be tempting to go as fast as you can right off the bat, we recommend starting slow to learn how to push off, balance, and brake. Most first-time scooter riders will find the acceleration and power a little bit overwhelming at first, even on the smaller scooters. We recommend pushing off with one foot first and then gently applying the accelerator. The accelerator works gradually, meaning the more you apply it, the faster you'll go. Just like in life and riding a bike, in order to keep your balance, you have to keep moving forward. Tip number 3 is all about finding a comfortable position to place your feet on the deck. This is one of our most frequently asked questions by new scooter riders, and the answer largely depends on you and what feels natural. The ideal foot placement will also depend on the type of scooter that you're riding. Some people like to ride with both feet planted side by side, or with one foot slightly in front of the other. This is actually the most common position. Are you a regular or a goofy? Old school hip hop fans will know that if Curtis Blower were here, he would say, these are the brakes. Which leads me to tip number 4, learn the brakes. The most important part of a scooter isn't the battery or the motor, but the brakes. Sure, it's easy to go fast or far, but if you can't stop yourself in time, what good is that? The hardest part of flying isn't the actual flying, it's the landing. Most electric scooters will either have a drum brake, a disc brake, or hydraulic disc brakes, and maybe a regenerative brake as well. While each of these have their pros and cons, usually the faster the scooter you have, the stronger and more powerful brakes you want, like the hydraulic system. And last but not least, tip number 5, intents and purposes. Now this isn't a camping reference, but each scooter is built with a specific usage in mind. So don't be taking your Air off-roading or your Phantom off a 100-foot drop, and probably shouldn't be jumping curbs in your Explorer either. While these are highly sophisticated machines built to handle whatever the road might throw at you, that doesn't mean you should try to be the Tony Hawk of electric scooters. While all of our scooters do come equipped with some form of suspension, it's not the same as a mountain bike or motocross, machines that are specifically designed for that usage. Well, that's all there is to it. Riding an electric scooter is fun and exhilarating, but can also be dangerous if you're not careful and don't know how to use one responsibly. It's important to ride at speeds that are appropriate to the environment that you're in, and always expect the unexpected. However, with these tips in hand, you should be able to hit the ground rolling without actually hitting the ground. But if you're still not convinced, you can book a test drive with us during the summers in select locations. Stay tuned for next year to see if we have a test drive location near you. Let us know if there's any other content you would like to see, and be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, ride safe.